Software Spring. Presents. How to use EOMONTH in Google Sheets. Hello folks. Greetings. Welcome to this tutorial on the EOMONTH function. Let's begin with an introduction to EOMONTH. EOMONTH stands for end of month. EOMONTH returns last date of month, before or after specified months, from specified starting date. Here's the format of the EOMONTH function formula. Let's look at an example. Start date is the reference date. It can be, for example, a hard-coded date, or a cell address. Months are the number of months, before or after the start date. If months is a positive number, it indicates months are after the start date. If months is a negative number, it indicates months are before the start date. Moving forward, here's an objective of using the EOMONTH function formula. To get last date of month, before and after specified months, from specified start date. Okay, here are the values for start date and months arguments. We are all set to type the EOMONTH function formula. First, type equal to symbol, EO, and select EOMONTH. For start date, click this cell. Type comma. For months, click this cell. Press enter. I will cancel autofill, as it is not relevant in this case. Alright, here is the last date of the month, after the specified number of months, from the specified start date. Can we copy the formula, down these cells, as is? The answer is no. It is because the address of the start date will change. So, we need to make the address of this cell absolute, or static. Click this cell. Click before a letter A. Press F4. The dollar symbol indicates the address is absolute. That is, it is a static address. Press enter. Click this cell. Copy the formula down these cells, and deselect. There you go. The function has returned the last dates. Note that this number is negative. It means EOMONTH has returned the last date of the month, before 15 months from the start date. Quick review. EOMONTH returns last date of month, before or after specified months, from specified starting date. Positive number for months indicate after. Negative number for months indicate before. To make start date address absolute or static, position cursor before first letter of address in formula bar and press F4. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.